Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can adjust screen timeout on your Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone, and you're going to look for the display setting. And this is the display setting. Tap on it and you can scroll down until you find the screen timeout setting. Okay, and this is the screen timeout setting, and you have to click on it and you can select the screen timeout that you want, and there are a couple of options for you. And if you want to make your screen display longer, you can select this one, 30 minutes. But if you want to make it shorter, you can choose 30 seconds or 1 minute, and it's up to you. And for me, I'm just gonna select the 10 minutes. Okay, and now the screen timeout has been changed, and that's how we can adjust the screen timeout on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video, guys.